Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have started a new lesson, the Red-Headed League. Okay, in this, it is a play, or you can say, you might be knowing about Mr. Sherlock Holmes. Its stories are all suspicious type of, this is jasusi type, we say in Hindi, jasusi type. We say this type of story we have heard about Mr. Sherlock Holmes. Okay. In this, we see that Mr. Wilson, the character, and his assistant, Mr. Spaulding. Mr. Wilson had joined a job over the year in the Red-Headed League. The advertisement was given over there for the member of the league to get the job. There is a vacancy for the member of the league. Okay, the salary is £4 and all. The advertisement was given there, and Mr. Wilson had joined that and got the job over there readily due to the Spaulding. Spaulding forced him that told Mr. Wilson that you are getting a good salary and the work time is very less, so you should go for it. And thus he joined over there, and he used to work hardly as the condition was put to him that he have to be there by 10 to 2 and he should not go anywhere during the working hours, and he agreed to that Mr. Wilson and joined there. यहाँ तक हम लोग ने complete किया था. We will be proceeding today. Okay. This went on day after day, Mr. Holmes and Mr. Wilson, and on Saturday I got my salary. Okay, he joined over here. See here. Let me see. He joined over there. He worked for 4 hours, 10 to 2, and afterwards he would come back to his own workplace where the Spaulding was helping him. See, at 2 o'clock he bade Mr. Wilson, after the working hour is over, he just bid goodbye to Mr. Wilson and he locked the door. Who is that? Mr. Ross, the Duncan Ross, okay, who is the founder of the Red-Headed League. He was a representative of the Red-Headed League. So as soon as the working hours finished, he bid goodbye to Mr. Wilson and just locked the door of the office. This went on day after day. Mr. Holmes said, Mr. Wilson, and on Saturday I got my salary. It was the same next week. And the same next week. After the few days, Mr. Duncan Ross came in only once in a while, and after a time he did not come in at all. What it is said in this? This went on day after day. Mr. Holmes got the salary. Okay, he got the salary on Saturday. It was the same next week, and the same week after. After a few days, Mr. Duncan Ross came in only once. First, he used to watch daily while Mr. Wilson was working. Later on, what he started to do, he just come to visit for 1 week. एक हफ्ते के लिए बीच में आके he used to notice Mr. Wilson and go back. And after that, he was not coming at all. इसके बाद वो आते ही नहीं थे. Mr. Duncan Ross. Okay. Mr. Wilson continued. 8 weeks had passed like this, and I had written about the archery, etc., and hoped that I might get on the B soon. And they suddenly the whole business came to an end. What I mean, he was told to copy the encyclopedia. उनका जॉब क्या था मिस्टर विल्सन का? एनसाइक्लोपीडिया को कॉपी करना था starting from the alphabet A. So he was about to complete A alphabet, and then he supposed to start the B. So 8 weeks he was working over there and had written about archery and etc., and hoped that he might get on the B soon. And then suddenly the whole business came to an end. The whole business came to an end means the work where he started to work, that work has completely come to an end. उसको बंद किया गया. To an end. Holmes. Actually he was narrating the story. Mr. Wilson ये सारी कहानी किसको बता रहे थे? Mr. Sherlock Holmes को बता रहे थे. Okay. So to an end, Holmes asked. Yes, sir. This morning I went to my work as usual at 10 o'clock, but the door was shut and locked with a little note nailed on it. It said, "The Red-Headed League is dissolved. October 9, 1880. What is told to Holmes that today morning when I went to that place at the working hours 10 o'clock, what was the door was shut, the दरवाज़ा क्या था, बंद था. वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा नोट डाला गया था कि रेड एडेड लीग इज डिजॉल्व मतलब बंद किया गया है इसको. रेड एडेड लीग जो एसोसिएशन फॉर्म किया गया है, इट इज़ बीन क्लोज्ड and date is mentioned over there. I was shocked and did not know what to do. What Mr. Wilson said, I was shocked and I did not know what to do. Mr. Wilson went on with his story. I made inquiries at the nearby office, but none of them knew anything about the leak. The rooms had been rented under a false name. See over what it is saying. The author is also there. यहाँ पे author भी involved है. Mr. Wilson है जिनके साथ धोखा हुआ. We can say that he was working over there sincerely and suddenly the association was shut down. तो एक ये था suddenly, तो it became suddenly, तो it was something like unimaginable. तो the author was also surprised and he started to make inquiries about that office कि वो ऑफिस क्यों सडनली बंद हुआ करके. बट नन ऑफ न्यू एनीथिंग अबाउट दिस लीग. बट नन ऑफ दम न्यू अबाउट दिस लीग. ये जो लीग एसोसिएशन रेड एडेड लीग का एसोसिएशन बनाया गया, उसके बारे में किसी को भी कोई जानकारी नहीं है. एंड द रूम जहाँ पे उन्होंने ऑफिस बनाया था, इट वॉज रेंटेड, वो भाड़े में लिया गया था और उसको सडनली लोग ने बंद भाड़े में लिया तो गया था, लेकिन वो क्या नाम सही है ये नहीं नाम झूठा नाम डाल के, फॉल्स नेम डाल के उन्होंने एक रूम ऑफिस भाड़े में लिया था. तो ये तो किसी काम के लिए मतलब गलत काम के लिए उस जगह का इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा था. एंड दे केम टू नो दैट. I went home and asked my assistant Spaulding for advice, but he could not help me in any way. I want to find out about the league. Okay, this author went to Miss Spaulding, जो assistant थे, who was forcing him to join the red-headed league. You know it very well. In the last lecture, I told you that Mr. Spaulding, the assistant of Mr. Wilson, forced Mr. Wilson to go for this work job because salary was good and work time was less. So he just wanted the advice from this assistant, but he could not help me in any way. But Spaulding was not able to help him in any way. I want to find out about the league, Mr. Holmes, who they are and why they played this prank upon me. Now he just talked everything. Mr. Wilson talked everything about this, whatever has happened to him. He asked Mr. Holmes, I want to find the reason why they played a prank with me. The whole thing is a mystery because they were not able to understand why the less salary was more, that working hours was less, that they suddenly started an association and within a few weeks it was shut down. They wanted to know the reason why it happened. So there might be some reason behind this. Okay, what is said? Mr. Wilson said, I want to know the mystery, whole mystery. That is why I came to you. I have heard a lot about you. So what is said, Mr. Wilson to Mr. Holmes, that is why I came to you, because I want to know everything about that red-headed league and what is the mystery behind it. And I have heard about it. Mr. Sherlock Holmes was a very good, this we can say, spy, जासूस जो बोलते हैं, and he used to find out very easily and you sort out the problems everything. कुछ भी अगर कहीं पे गलती हो रही थी वो बहुत जल्दी से ढूंढ लेते थे. वो एक बहुत ही अच्छे जासूस माने जाते थे. तो he was a good spy, so he came to know so that he could help him. Holmes found Mr. Wilson's story very unusual. He asked Mr. Wilson, this assistant of yours who first called your attention to the advertisement, who is he like? Now Holmes found that the story of the Mr. Wilson is very unusual. मतलब ऐसे कहानी बनती नहीं, बहुत अजीब व गरीब कहानी थी, and he was not able to understand it. What is this the story? So he just asked Mr. Wilson, कि who is the first person who draw your attention towards this job, who is he, what is he like. He was just asking the description of that man. दिखने को कैसे है वो स्पॉल्डिंग जो असिस्टेंट है जिन्होंने इनको फोर्स किया मिस्टर विल्सन को जॉब करने के लिए, तो दिखने के लिए कैसे है, तो मिस्टर शेरलॉक होम्स जानना चाहते थे। वो एक जासूस है और उनको काफ़ी सारे क्रिमिनल्स की सारे बैकग्राउंड्स वगैरह पता था, एंड ही वॉज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, समझना चाहते थे कि जानना चाहते कि ऐसा कोई ये तो नहीं कोई गलत काम के लिए तो नहीं मिस्टर विल्सन का फ़ायदा उठाया गया था, ये जानना वो चाहते थे। सो ही जस्ट आस्क्ड मिस्टर विल्सन, जस्ट गिव द डिस्क्रिप्शन अबाउट योर assistant so that I can find out something. Then he started to describe. See here, Mr. Wilson. Small, stout, with no hair on his face. He has a white splash of acid on his forehead. I thought as much, said Mr. Holmes. Is he still with you? Oh, yes, sir. So he described about Mr. Spaulding. How he is looking? He is small, he is stout, and no hair on his face. यानी चेहरे में कोई बाल वगैरह नहीं, मूछ ना दाढ़ी. ओके, ही हैज़ ए वाइट स्प्लैश ऑफ एसिड ऑन हिज फोरहेड. उसके सर पे ऊपर फोरहेड की तरह वो एक वाइट स्प्लैश मतलब एक वाइट पैचेस की तरह है. आई थॉट एज मच, सेड मिस्टर होम्स. इज ही स्टिल विथ यू? देन मिस्टर होम्स आस्क्ड मिस्टर विल्सन, इज ही स्टिल वर्किंग विथ यू? तो आपके साथ अभी भी वो काम कर रहा है क्या? तो मिस्टर विल्सन बोलते हैं हाँ वो अभी भी मेरे साथ काम करता है. दैट विल डू मिस्टर विल्सन. आई कैन गिव यू माई ओपिनियन ऑन दिस सब्जेक्ट इन डे और टू. टुडे इज सैटरडे एंड बाय मंडे वी मे कम टू कंक्लूजन. तो व्हाट मिस्टर विल्सन से, आई विल गिव माई ओपिनियन, मैं अपने ओपिनियन आपको बता दूंगा. टुडे इट इज सैटरडे एंड बाय मंडे आई विल बी एबल टू कम इन टू कंक्लूजन. मंडे तक मैं आपको कंक्लूजन दे दूंगा कि क्या है, किस बार इसकी पीछे क्या वजह है, क्या है कागस्तानी एंड ऑल वॉट एवर द हिल थिंकिंग्स एंड ऑल, ये मैं आपको बाद में बता दूंगा. ओके, सी फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस लेसन इज बीन एक्सप्लेन टू यू. इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल कम टू द पार्ट 2. ओके, so we have completed the part first. Now in the remaining part 2 we will be able to understand the reason beyond it, why Mr. Wilson was being trapped, or what is the reason to make Mr. Wilson work over there, what is the reason behind it. Okay, thus we will find the conclusion in the next lecture. Thank you.